So this here is the auto timing chain adjuster here, and this is a new one that I got. I don't know if you can read that part number. It's like 50 bucks. And then this is what I pulled this part out. You can use an Allen wrench on that head, see it? Or I just used a 24 mil on it. So to get at that area, I had to remove the radiator, just that one little part of it, that hose. I just take the clamp off and like drain it. It's a total mess, and whenever it goes everywhere. But that's the one, that thing right there is what you're looking for. See if I can get a better look at it here. If you can see that. So it's in there pretty good, and it won't come out unless you loosen it. So I just used this because it's got a flat head. I put it on there just like that and just tapped it with a hammer, and it came right out. So now that part will come out when I pull on it, which is the last part of it. And then the new one will come already, at least the one I have, is already compressed down to the, I think it's like 3 millimeters. It's basically a standard washer size, big size washer, that size. So it's already set. So this thing here, you've got an Allen on that side and nothing on that side. So this part goes in, and then this clearance right here is what I'm talking about. It's got to be 3 millimeters, I believe. So I'm playing with that, and then this goes over the top of it once you get that in. That's it. Okay, so there's the stock one. You can see how that's after it's been decompressed, and this one's been already compressed. I'm going to see if it fits in there like that. If not, I'm going to have to put some force on it to make it look like that one by just pushing down on that, and then see if it works that way. But I think it probably comes set from the stock, from the factory, that way. So that's both of them in there. So what you can do also is you can tighten it down from here with this, just a long Allen, or you can use 24 mil on that socket to close it, to finish the job. I think the socket's kind of bulky to fit in there, but that's, you could use this as well, just a long one. This is an option. It's a different way to do it. That should be it. Wish me luck. Alright, moment of truth. See how she sounds. Oops. Well, that's it. That was, the beginning was that tensioner getting oil to it, and then closing, or making it tight against the cam chain. Yeah, it's about normal size, especially if you pull the clutch in. These are noisy clutches, but that's kind of how it's supposed to sound. Yeah. KTMs are noisy anyway. But yeah, that thing worked. Yeah, look at all that, the steam coming off from the all the antifreeze.